What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? I have been doing planks since quite long now. How it has benefited me is as follows. It has definitely strengthened my arms. It has helped me shaping my abdominal muscles. It has also helped me to strengthen my lower body and get my thighs in shape. It has helped me improve my concentration. It has certainly helped me cure my back pain issue, which I started developing after I had to spend 5 to 6 continuous hours on a chair because I had long hours studying habit. I have become more patient because I used to get irritated easily. It's a kind of meditation tool too, as you stay focused on balancing your body and stay lifted. I have increased my planks duration from 30 seconds in the first week to 1 minute 30 seconds now. But along with this wonderful trick of doing planks, I have also adopted few other balancing exercises, for example lifting my legs against the floor, secondly, cross sit-ups and few others. There is although nothing I would suggest as much as planks to anybody. It's a single input and hundreds of output thing. Especially for beginners or people who have not been able to feel efficient even after their own specific exercise regime.